Hey, it's Brenda Meller with Meller Marketing. I just got a question coming in who says, can I change the order of my skills which are displayed in the skills section of my LinkedIn profile? For example, I have one which has 99 plus endorsements, but it doesn't show at the top in terms of visibility. So can we reorder skills? Yes, you can. Let me show you how. I'm going to navigate to my profile on LinkedIn right now to show you this technique and give it just a second here to load. And then I'm going to scroll down to my skills section. As I'm doing this, I do want to point out that LinkedIn recently revamped the profile view. I have the newer view right now. So if you don't have this view yet, you'll be getting it soon. A couple things are a little bit different, and one of the sections is the skills, whereas before, when we would click on the pencil icon, we would see the full skills list, and 3 of them would have a green push pin at the side. Now we see the full list all in here together. So if you have the new view, that's what you're going to see in here. So I'm going to go back to the previous section just for a second. Plus is to add in any new skills. The pencil, think about we either cross things out or erase them. So we're going to go to that pencil icon right now. Within the new view of LinkedIn, you're going to notice there's no way to unpin. The green push pin isn't there anymore. What you're going to do is click on the 3 dots, and then you'll see a symbol that says reorder with a up and down caret on it. Once you click on reorder, LinkedIn will show you the full skills list, and you can see off to the right-hand side, there's this little symbol. I've heard this called the hamburger symbol because it looks like a stacked hamburger, kind of little lines stacked above them. So if you wanted to move around, let's say if I wanted to move marketing, which is a 99 plus skill, if I wanted to move that up to the top position, I could certainly do so just clicking on that hamburger symbol, and I could drag it up to the top. And there's no save button in here, so as soon as I close this out, you're going to see it's at the top of my profile. Now here is my little bonus tip for all of you, and that is that when people land on your LinkedIn profile, most people will not click on see all 50 skills or whatever it is at the bottom. They're only going to see the 3. So think about what are the 3 things that you want to be known for, and then take the time to reorder them in on your profile. The way that this works is if you have never reordered your skills before, LinkedIn will put them in order of most endorsements at the top to prioritize lower number of endorsements towards the bottom of the list. Now, once you move things around, they're not going to move them again. So in this case, this person says this one skill has a 99 plus endorsements. It's lower in the list. It's probably because you moved the list already, and LinkedIn's not going to move things around. But you can do a manual override. You can go into your skill section and you can make those moves. Do keep in mind, if you have the old version of LinkedIn, you're going to see the green push pins. If that's the case, you want to deselect one of those push pins, and then you can have a push pin to pin something else in its place. So hopefully that helps. I'm giving you the instructions on how to do this with the new LinkedIn navigation, as well as what to do if you see the old navigation. Hopefully that's been helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, I would love it if you could like this video on YouTube, subscribe to my channel for more updates like these, and share this video along with someone in your network. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.